Recognizing weaknesses is important because it allows for self-improvement, better decision-making, and personal growth. When you understand your limitations, you can work on strengthening them, seek help when needed, and avoid situations where they might hold you back. It also helps in building resilience, improving relationships, and developing a realistic self-image. Ultimately, self-awareness leads to more confidence and success in both personal and professional life. Getting rid of personal weaknesses requires self-awareness, commitment, and consistent effort. Here's a structured approach to overcoming them. 1. Identify your weaknesses. Reflect on areas where you struggle. Seek feedback from trusted people. Keep a journal to track patterns of difficulty. 2. Understand the root cause. Is it a lack of skill, confidence, knowledge, or experience? Does fear, procrastination, or past failure contribute to it? 3. Set specific goals. Turn weaknesses into clear, actionable goals. Example: if public speaking is a weakness, set a goal to practice weekly. 4. Develop a plan for improvement. Learn from books, courses, or mentors. Break improvement into small, manageable steps. 5. Take consistent action. Practice regularly to build competence. Challenge yourself with real-world situations. 6. Seek support and feedback. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth. Ask for constructive criticism and use it wisely. 7. Turn weakness into strength. Sometimes, weaknesses can be reframed as strengths in certain contexts. Example: being overly detail-oriented can be useful in analytical jobs. 8. Stay patient and persistent. Change takes time, so celebrate small wins. Learn from setbacks instead of getting discouraged. By following these steps, you can gradually eliminate weaknesses or at least minimize their impact on your life. Turning a weakness into a strength requires a shift in mindset, strategy, and consistent effort. Here's how you can do it. 1. Reframe your perspective. Instead of seeing your weakness as a flaw, look at how it might be beneficial. Example: being shy might make you a great listener, which is a valuable skill in leadership and relationships. 2. Leverage it in the right context. Weaknesses can be strengths in certain situations. Example: being overly detail-oriented may slow you down, but in a field like research or accounting, it's a powerful skill. 3. Develop skills around it. Learn new strategies to minimize its negative impact. Example: if you struggle with public speaking, practice in smaller groups, take a speech class, or focus on storytelling techniques. 4. Use it to stand out. Some perceived weaknesses make you unique. Example: if you're an introvert, you may not dominate conversations, but you might excel at deep, meaningful interactions. 5. Balance it with other strengths. Pair your weakness with an existing strength to create balance. Example: if you're not naturally organized, but you're creative, use visual tools like mind maps or planners to stay on track. 6. Turn it into a learning opportunity. Weaknesses highlight areas for growth. Example: if you struggle with time management, learning to prioritize can turn you into an efficiency expert. 7. Seek feedback and adjust. Get input from others to see how your weakness impacts different areas. Adapt based on their suggestions and observations. By taking these steps, you can transform what once held you back into something that pushes you forward. Developing skills and removing weaknesses requires a structured approach, discipline, and persistence. Here's how you can do it effectively. Step 1. Identify and analyze your weakness. Be honest with yourself about what you struggle with. Seek feedback from others to gain a clearer perspective. Ask yourself, why is this a weakness? Is it a lack of knowledge, experience, or confidence? Step 2. Set clear goals. Convert your weakness into a goal. Example. Instead of saying, I'm bad at communication, set a goal like, I will improve my speaking skills by practicing daily. Break it into small, achievable steps. Step 3. Learn and gain knowledge. Read books, watch videos, or take courses related to your weakness. Find mentors or role models who have mastered the skill. Example. If your weakness is time management, study productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique or Eisenhower matrix. Step 4. Practice consistently. Apply what you learn in real-life situations. Start small and gradually increase difficulty. Example. If you fear public speaking, practice in front of a mirror, then with friends, and eventually in larger groups. Step 5. Seek feedback and improve. Ask others for constructive criticism. Keep a journal to track progress and areas for improvement. Step 6. Stay patient and persistent. Overcoming a weakness takes time, so don't get discouraged. Learn from failures and adjust your approach if needed. Step 7. Turn it into a strength. Once you've improved, use your newfound skill to your advantage. Example. If you were once bad at networking but improved, use it to expand opportunities in your career. By following these steps, you can systematically remove weaknesses and turn them into strengths. Importance of seeking feedback. Seeking feedback is crucial for personal and professional growth. It provides insights into your strengths and weaknesses, helping you improve and make better decisions. Here's why feedback is important. 1. Identifies blind spots. You may not always see your own mistakes or areas for improvement. Feedback from others helps you recognize issues you might overlook. 2. Encourages growth and improvement. Constructive criticism helps refine your skills and mindset. It guides you toward continuous self-improvement. 3. Builds self-awareness. Knowing how others perceive you helps in personal development. It allows you to align your self-image with reality. 4. Increases confidence. Positive feedback reinforces your strengths. Constructive criticism shows you how to improve, reducing self-doubt. 5. Strengthens relationships. Asking for feedback shows that you value others' opinions. It fosters trust, communication, and collaboration. 6. Helps in better decision making. Different perspectives help you make informed choices. It minimizes errors and enhances problem-solving skills. 7. Supports career growth. Feedback from mentors or supervisors helps you advance professionally. It prepares you for leadership roles by improving communication and decision making. 8. Promotes adaptability. Feedback helps you adjust to new challenges and environments. It keeps you open to learning and evolving. By regularly seeking and applying feedback, you can improve yourself in all aspects of life.